In routine newborn care, you have to write all these following. The first thing you have to do is immediate newborn care, that you have already discussed, that is TABC, registration has to be done. And essential newborn care, the 5 C's has to be kept in mind. And the third step will be initiation of breastfeeding. And fourth step will be giving vitamin K injection and vaccination of the child. And fifth step will be general care of the child, which I have already stated over here. Okay, and then finally, you have to remember about this. And then, let's zoom it and show it to you. These are some of the features that have to be remembered. And then this also has to be written. And then coming to the newborn evaluation, this APGAR and CRT have already covered, and then GP and vitals have to be mentioned, anthropometry has to be done, and then HTE and primary neonatal reflexes have to be mentioned, which I have stated over here in a little bit detail. And coming to the some of the important HTE examinations, these are the ones which you have to write in head to toe examination. All these have to be evaluated and written. And then these primary neonatal reflexes are already covered in 8 postings revision notes. Just go through that. And then these are the two most important reflexes, that is the Morose reflex and then the fencing reflex. So and this is almost self-explanatory. I think you can just go to this.